The India-Pakistan rivalry is rooted in the violent partition of 1947, which created two nations and a legacy of unresolved disputes. At the heart of this conflict is Kashmir, a region claimed by both sides, fueling decades of wars and skirmishes. The line of control in Kashmir remains one of the world's most militarized borders. Over 75 years, the rivalry has only intensified, expanding into proxy wars, espionage, and cyber attacks. Each cross-border incident or diplomatic crisis reinforces the belief that military strength is essential for survival. This mindset keeps both countries locked in a cycle of military buildup, often at the expense of other national priorities. The 2025 security crisis, triggered by a militant attack and missile strikes, showed how quickly tensions can escalate. Both governments have demonstrated a willingness to use force, keeping the region on edge. The military is deeply embedded in both societies, making peaceful solutions politically risky. As a result, the arms race continues, with each side determined not to fall behind. The world watches, aware that any flare-up could threaten global stability. India fields one of the world's largest militaries, with vast manpower and advanced weaponry. Its army boasts thousands of tanks, and its air force flies Rafales, Su-30s, and Tejas jets. Pakistan, though smaller, maintains a highly professional force focused on credible defense. Its arsenal includes Al-Khalid tanks, F-16s, and JF-17 fighters, plus a robust missile program. India invests in network-centric warfare and surveillance tech, while Pakistan emphasizes asymmetric tactics and intelligence. Both sides race to outpace each other technologically, making South Asia a testing ground for new doctrines. At sea, India expands its navy with aircraft carriers and nuclear submarines to project power. Pakistan modernizes its fleet with Chinese-built frigates and submarines, focusing on coastal defense. The rivalry now stretches from the mountains of Kashmir to the Arabian Sea. Each military upgrade by one side prompts a countermove by the other. The result, a relentless contest for strategic advantage. The arms race is fueled by global powers supplying advanced technology to both nations. India diversifies its suppliers, buying from Russia, France, and the US, gaining access to cutting-edge systems. China is Pakistan's key defense partner, providing jets, warships, and missiles, ensuring military parity. The US plays both sides, supplying F-16s to Pakistan and building a strategic partnership with India. This web of alliances turns South Asia into a chessboard for international competition. Every major arms deal triggers a response, keeping the race alive. Global rivalries, especially between the US and China, directly impact regional security. The constant influx of sophisticated weapons raises the stakes of any future conflict. India's booming economy allows for a much larger defense budget, funding modernization and foreign acquisitions. Pakistan, with fewer resources, spends a higher share of its budget on defense and relies on nuclear deterrence to offset India's conventional edge. This fragile balance prevents outright war, but comes at a steep economic cost for both nations. Billions are diverted from development, healthcare, and education to sustain the arms race. Pakistan's economy strains under military spending, while India's resources are also heavily committed. The result is a security stalemate. Neither side can gain decisive superiority. The region remains a flashpoint, with both nations prioritizing military strength over diplomacy. As long as the arms race continues, the risk of devastating conflict lingers over South Asia.